to another vlog. It's your friend John. How are you all? I believe you guys are fine. Guys, today I'm gonna show you the authentic sweet Chinese food that you get here in the street of Kolkata, right? So as you can see, this brother is, making, chow mein, and they have many different, items there. So I'm gonna go and explore this place in a minute. And guys, if you're watching my vlog for the first time, please subscribe. And so that's the main road there, right? And this shop is, right on the footpath here. So let's go explore this place. Let's go, guys. Right guys, so here we are and the shop is on the footpath, right? This is the footpath. That's the main road there, right? And this brother works here. So hello Dada, how are you? Kiram acho apni? Okay, this brother is fine. And there's another brother, yeah. Say hi. Hi bolo dao. Hi, okay. Right, so look guys, they are selling all different kind of, Chinese food here, right? This is the chow mein that he just made, right? And this is the Dada. What is this? This is the chili chicken, guys. Look.
Veg Manchurian.
This is the chili chicken, right? And this is the veg.
Veg Manchurian.
Okay, guys. This is the veg Manchurian, right? The veg Manchurian. Look, guys. It's crazy, right?
Veg Pakoda.
Oh, okay, guys. This one is the veg pakora. Right? Pakora is like some sort of snack, right? And this is the chicken pakora, right, brother? Look, guys. And they even have roll over here, right? This is the chicken roll. Egg roll, chicken roll, guys. They have egg roll, chicken roll. And this brother is, currently frying this veg pakora, right? Look, guys. This pan is just so massive, and this is the roll stuffing, right? So if you want roll, look there, right? That's the egg roll, right? Now if you want chicken roll, they will make you the chicken roll with this chicken, right? Chicken roll is stuffing, Dada? Okay. This is the chicken rolls stuffing. Look, guys. And this is the paratha, right? So what do you serve with paratha? Dada, paratha sathe apni ki serve koren? Dal fry. This one. Oh, right, guys. This is the dal fry. So if you want this paratha, they serve you the dal fry with it, and they have salad over there as well. So they give you salad with it. And if you want fried rice, they make you fried rice. Chicken fried rice, egg fried rice, right? This is how it is. And those are the cut vegetable, right? Is carrot, capsicum, and you have this cabbage, right? So if you want rice or chow, egg chow or chicken chow, they make you this. So currently this brother is making something. কি বানাচ্ছো দাদা? Roll বানাচ্ছো? Okay, guys, look the way he makes roll. It's just so crazy, look, guys. So that's the egg, and they have the bread over here is pre-cooked, right? So you're making egg roll, right, Dada? Okay, guys, this brother is making egg roll. That's how it is. So the way he's making the egg roll. So if you want chicken with it, they give you the chicken with it as well, right? Okay. And the environment, looks like this, right? I'm gonna show you the environment. Look, guys, this is the chaotic, market here. And these brothers, like they sell this, fruit. Eta amla to, dada. Eta amla to. Guys, if you know the English name for this, you please let me know in the comment, right? And these people sell, street food like this on the street. And hello, brother. Okay, so you're selling egg, right? So this brother sells, egg, right? Boiled egg, and if you want fry egg, that's what they sell. This is the chaotic busy street here, right? That's the flyover, right? For the cars to go. This is a chaotic busy street, guys, right? So if you go from here, you'll reach to a place called Bara Bazaar, right? And they have fruit stall there. And if you go from here, you'll reach to Howrah Bridge. So let's go back to this brother there. They have been selling pomegranate here. Look, guys.
35 kilo, 35 kilo, 35
If you love pomegranate, खाना का. Look, guys.
Yeah, man.
Okay, that was it, guys. Me trying to show you the Chinese, street Chinese food that you get here on the street of Kolkata, right? So if you take this chow that they have over here, the chow mein, you can enjoy that enjoy this chow mein with this chili chicken, right? This is the chili chicken. Look, guys.
Yeah, roti na powder. Roti powder, chow mein rice.
Okay, brother, thank you for your time. Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you, Dada. Okay, Dada, thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day. Bye bye. Okay. Let's go. Right, guys, that was me trying to show you the authentic street Chinese that you get here in the street of Kolkata, right? So I'm just walking in this chaotic street here. So I really hope you enjoyed the vlog, guys. If you did, do not forget to smash that subscribe button. I will see you in my next vlog. It's your friend John. Let's make memories. Love, peace. Bye bye, guys. Please subscribe. Bye.